Yeah, hello guys. So today I want us to have a look at this pair together. This is BTC. Uh, Last analysis we talked about the movement BTC had, and we drew up all this chart. We had this zone, this yellow zone, which is the zone that was to act as a resistance zone, and we talked about that was when I drew this W pattern, talking about the left shoulder, the right shoulder, the head, and the movement up. We also looked at it and said if BTC was able to break above the yellow zone, there's a possibility of it coming back to retest the zone and a push up. And then one other thing we are looking at here is the next target is if this resistance zone, this support zone, this resistance zone, turn support zone holds strong and is able to support this asset from breaking further down, we should expect it to rise towards the north, and we should be looking at the next target around the 100K. That's what we'll be looking at. Also, if fundamentals continues to favor the market, we should be expecting BTC to push back to its previous all-time high. So it all depends on what the market has and how investors view the market. So for now, we're still going to be working with our chart pattern, which is the W pattern, and we use here as our resistance zone, support zone, and look towards the market going that way. Let's see what can happen if we are to buy this asset where it is now. We should be looking at maybe possible stop loss around this zone. That is one. There's a possible stop loss. Possible stop loss. If we take it this way, that's 1 to 6. If we do this 1 to 6, or if you don't want, but whichever way, if you're going to be buying this, be careful with this zone. There is possibility of it blowing downward. However, the buy may continue. So let's see how it plays out. Be careful with your investments. Always remember you have to protect your investment before you think of making profit from the market. Enjoy as you trade. You can look at my profile. You will see the one that is not a video. If you just want to read, you can also see that. Like, follow, share if you like. And if there is any other chart you want me to look at, you can also share in the comment section. Bye.